All right, hey everybody, Will here from PPC Coach. Just want to show you how to verify your domain on Facebook because they did make a bunch of changes. So we have to verify this with Gearbubble. So the way to do it is go to business.facebook.com and then /settings, and then under here under brand safety, there's domains. So you just if you already have domains, you'll have them listed here. But I'm going to click add, and then I'm going to click on the domain. So I'm going to call it, say, I don't know, presence.gearbubble.com. Then you click on add domain. And then you'll see here, it won't show until you hit reload. So hit reload on this page, and then it will show right there. So then this is the DNS verification. So if you own this, you could do it this way, but you got to go to meta tag, and you want to copy this, and then just go to a Google Doc or whatever kind of notepad or whatever you have. And let's create a new one and paste it. And what you want is this part right here. So you copy that. Now go to Gearbubble, go to your account, go to settings, and then go to add Facebook meta tag. And then we're going to put in present. Oh, is it present? Okay. Plural for me. Presence.gearbubble.com, check availability. Apparently it's good. So now we're going to go to meta, and we're going to paste that in. And then we're going to click create. So now I've just verified almost my domain with them. So now what I do is I just go back to here and I click on verify. And they're going to go to presence.gearbubble.com and they're going to check it. It's verified. You're now good to go. So that's how easy it is. If you have any questions, let me know. But this is good because it will actually allow us now to continue running Facebook ads directly to the platform. All right, have a great day. Let me know if you have any questions, and we'll talk to you soon.